Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, two power tool organizer brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Iron Forge Tools Power Tool Organizer and the Sunix Power Tool Organizer. Although toolboxes can be effective for anyone's setup, they may not be able to house all the power tools you have in an organized and accessible manner like power tool organizers. These useful storage units make it easier to get hold of tools whenever you need them. Gone are the days when you need to sift through multiple boxes just to find a single piece of equipment. If you're looking for a power tool organizer storage for your workshop or home garage, then you have definitely clicked on the right video. In today's episode of Brand Wars, we will be pitting two top-of-the-line power tool organizers, the Iron Forge Tools Power Tool Organizer and the Sunix Power Tool Organizer, against each other in a battle of epic proportions. Both of these power tool organizers have earned 4 badges from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, attesting to their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's Brand Wars. If you are interested in other power tool organizers that we have reviewed, do check out our power tool organizer review video linked below. If you want direct links to the product themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the Brand Wars. The first category that these two power tool organizers will be going toe-to-toe with would be their size and form factor. The size and form factor are very important factors when choosing a power tool organizer. Some organizers are bulky and large, which are perfect for factories and professional settings. Other power tool organizers, on the other hand, have more lightweight designs that make them attractive choices for hobbyists or novices who are looking to expand their knowledge in organizing their tools. The Iron Forge Tools Power Tool Organizer has overall dimensions of 25.5 by 13 by 9 inches. This is more or less to be expected from a power tool organizer such as this. At 12.32 pounds, it is a little on the hefty side, but it does its job well enough to justify its weight. The Sunix Power Tool Organizer, however, boasts a slightly slimmer and more portable design. It has overall dimensions of 20.9 by 13.8 by 4.9 inches, which makes it much easier to transport than its competition. Aside from this, it also weighs less by a significant margin at 9.53 pounds. In terms of design and form factor, the Sunix Power Tool Organizer has the edge over the Iron Forge Tools Power Tool Organizer thanks to its more portable size. It wins this category and earns the first point. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their materials and durability. Most power tool organizers are made of powder-coated steel and hardwood. Generally speaking, we feel hardwood is the best option when it comes to wooden models. Wooden power tool organizers are not too expensive and they are easy to maintain over time. Steel models, however, come in different sizes and weights. If you have various heavy power drills to store, make sure the model can support the weight. Fortunately for both of these power tool organizers, they are designed to be durable enough to last for many years. The Iron Forge Tools Power Tool Organizer features high-quality wood construction. Its tool storage rack is built using quality pine wood. Aside from that, it also features sturdy construction with a wood storage shelf that's durably built and well constructed. The Sunix Power Tool Organizer, on the other hand, is made of pine wood and has large storage compartments. Aside from that, the charging station is also made of choice pine. It is strong enough to load various heavy tools, is not easy to crack, and doesn't warp over time. The Iron Forge Tools Power Tool Organizer is the clear winner in this category thanks to its durable materials and solid construction. It earns 1 point and ties up the battle at 1-1. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their capacity. Knowing the exact number of tools you'd need to store can help you pick a structure of the right size and capacity. Some models offer 5 power tool slots while others have 4 and so on. As a general rule, we suggest choosing a model with at least 4 tool slots. For good measure, you can choose one with even more slots, but it will come at the cost of the power tool organizer's size and portability. The Iron Forge Tool Power Tool Organizer includes 2 shelves and 5 drill hanging slots. This allows you to store drills, toolkits, screwdrivers, and wrenches. Plus, there is an additional spot for larger tools like nail guns, sanders, and more. On the flip side, the Sunix Power Tool Organizer has a large capacity to put your power tools, circular saws, and jigsaws conveniently. With 2 shelves, 3 cordless drill slots, and scroll saw slot, this power tool organizer will not fail to deliver. Clearly, the Sunix Power Tool Organizer is the better unit in terms of its variety of tools to store. For that reason, we are giving it this round's point as it takes the lead with score of 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their ease of installation. Some power tool organizers are quite hard to install, with some requiring some drilling into the wall. For that reason, ease of installation also comes into play when finding a good power tool organizer. The Iron Forge Tool Power Tool Organizer comes with 2 screws and preset holes for easy hanging on any wall or tool bench. Additionally, a power strip can be easily mounted at the top with pre-cut slots on either side to keep the cord out of the way. The Sunix Power Tool Organizer, on the other hand, is no slouch when it comes to ease of installation either. It is also worth noting, however, that although the tool organizer is easy to install, it can be quite hard to assemble the product itself. Having said that, it shouldn't take you too long with the help of the instruction manual. Although both organizers are easy to install and use, we will give this round to the Iron Forge Tool Power Tool Organizer. This leaves us with a tied score at 2 apiece, which leads us to a tiebreaker round for the last category. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their range of compatible tool. A good power tool organizer typically doesn't have a plain, one-dimensional storage unit for all your power tools. Rather, we believe that the best ones in the market have space for a wide range of tools, especially for those unique pieces that require a broader space than others. Having said that, we will look at each organizer's range of compatible tools in order to find which unit is more versatile than the other. The Iron Forge Tool Power Tool Organizer fortunately boasts a wide range of applications. As stated earlier in the video, it boasts a 5-tool slot capacity, which can house a store drill, toolkits, screwdrivers, and wrenches, plus an additional spot for larger tools like nail guns, sanders, and more. In addition to this, it also comes with a built-in slot at the top for storing circular saws. The Sunix Power Tool Organizer, on the other hand, also comes with a built-in slot at the top for storing circular saws. As far as the tool slots are concerned, they can house your power tools, saws, and jigsaws conveniently. Although both organizers clearly make wonderful storage unit for power tools, we will have to give the final point to the Iron Forge Tool Power Tool Organizer. That said, it decisively wins this round and leaves the battle still trailing at 3-2. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of power tool organizers between the Iron Forge Tool Power Tool Organizer and the Sunix Power Tool Organizer. Even though it was a very tough fight, the Iron Forge Tool Power Tool Organizer beats the Sunix Power Tool Organizer by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these power tool organizers offer, there can only be one victor today, and the Iron Forge Tool Power Tool Organizer has already claimed its throne as it awaits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Iron Forge Tools Power Tool Organizer and the Sunix Power Tool Organizer has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next Power Tool Organizer face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We'll look forward to seeing you at thetrustedshoppingguide.com again soon.